you so much for watching my videos. Now, I am super excited because I did get a bunch of like little small gifts that I'm going to be giving to some veterans' wives, to some of my CVS employees, just various people here and there that I needed to make, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money out of pocket. So I'll show you guys how I make these really easy, simple, super cute, inexpensive gifts. First, I want to give you an update on my nonprofit, let you guys know what's going on with that, what I've been up to this week. Also, I have a small Bath & Body Works haul in this video as well. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Coupons for Charity, and don't forget, I do have 2 amazing giveaways going on right now. I have my CVS gift card and bonus prizes in my CVS haul. I'll link that at the end of the video. I am also giving away an amazing extreme coupon kit. That's a coupon binder, planner, all the coupon accessories, and a laptop computer. So if you have not entered to win for those giveaways, definitely do so. I will link that video at the end of this video as well. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So just to give you an update, we were contacted by Tranquility Counseling, and they are doing a toy drive on December 22nd. I got really fortunate, and I do have extra toys, so we are doing a donation. My husband is we're in the garage doing our count, because as a nonprofit we have to make sure we count for everything that comes in and everything that goes out. So a lot of work, and that is what we're doing right now. So let's continue. All of the toys, we accounted for 100 toys for this Tranquility Center. The only reason they contacted us is because Toys for Tots actually run out of toys this year. So I got contacted by 2 separate nonprofits asking if we had any extra toys, and fortunately I had a bunch. So I'm going to give them 100 toys. So I'm super excited about that, and I'll be dropping that off tomorrow. So we finished with the toys. Now I'm going to start working on some veterans gifts for the ladies. I don't know if you guys remember, but I made them last year. But I wanted to share Miss Daisy with you. I wish I can make this brighter. How do I make this brighter? Huh, Miss Fuentes? It looks so dark, but it's really not. It's like daytime, but you know. And it's cold in here, so we do have the heater going for her. Huh? We got the heater on for you, huh? Say hi, Miss Daisy. Say hi. Say hi. Who's a pretty bird? Who's the prettiest bird in the world? Miss Daisy is. I don't touch her though. Let's see if I can. Hi. Say hi. Okay, guys, let's work on these gifts. So, as I'm working on these gifts, my husband told me at the last minute that he wanted a Christmas gift for one of his, I want to say coworkers, but I know it's not a coworker. Anywho, I decided to go ahead and share my Bath & Body Works haul because I completely forgot about it. I've been so busy. Anyways, I went to Bath & Body Works. I believe it was Friday when they had the $1.95 sale on the smaller select body care. So they're just like the little sample sizes, or the travel sizes. So of course I had to get the Gingham body mist and lotion. I bought 2 sets of those. I did buy a set of the snowflakes and cashmere, and then a set of the white jasmine. So the snowflakes and cashmere I already knew I was going to use for Christmas time. The other ones I might save. I bought a set of the rose, and I bought 4 of the graphite for men. That's why I wanted to go ahead and haul this. I went ahead and purchased $30 worth. And I had a 5 off of 20, and then a 10 off of 30, and a 20 off of 50. So I went ahead and used that 10 off of 30 coupon from Bath & Body Works. Now, I had 3 rewards. I had 2 full-size rewards up to a $16.50 value. So, and then I had 1 in my mailer. So, if you sign up for Bath & Body Works email notifications, there is a, on their website, there's a place to get mailed coupons. So that's the coupon I got. So I got 3 free items. So here is my first item. It was for the store coupon. It was for the Bath & Body Works Black Chamomile, which is the body cream. Really enjoy this. So I got a freebie for that one. I actually got one for myself, which is the sleep. This helps me so much. So I picked up one for you guys for a future giveaway. I can only use the lotion. My skin's very sensitive, so I cannot use the body wash, but that doesn't mean you guys can't. So I went ahead and purchased a free body wash for you guys. So here is my coupon. As you can see, Bath and Body Works reward $13.50, Bath and Body Works reward $13.50. Now these are all the discounts for the 5 off 20 or 10 off 30. I used the 10 off of 30. So my total for all these items, guys, was $24.25 before tax. I did save $98.25 off my total. So really, really great savings, great freebies here. And I'll be using some of these for Christmas. Some of them will go in your guys' giveaway, like the sleep and stuff will go in like another giveaway I have planned for you guys. And then some will use for Christmas and some I'll use throughout the year. But it's a definite stock up when they were $1.95. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the gifts I already started making. Just to show you a little bit of what I've been working on. So as you guys know, if you saw my 99-cent only store haul, I hauled those Mr. Bubbles. I also hauled the 3-pack of the perfume spray. And I hauled some of those Cream Shop face masks. So the face mask came in a 5-pack. This was $1.99, but it came in a 3-pack. And these were 99 cents. So total gift probably cost me about $3 to make. I think it came out really cute. It's just something really small and simple to give some of the CVS employees. So I have 2 of those that I made, and they have the face mask in the back. And then I also have 3 of these that I started on, and I think they came out really cute. As you guys know, I picked these up from the 99-cent only store. Now these are from Ulta or Walmart. They sell them at both. The lotion retails for $5.98, and then the body spray is $5. But as you guys know, I did not pay that. I paid 99 cents an item at the 99-cent only store, so that gift cost me probably about $2.50 to make, including the bow from the Dollar Tree, and the cellophane is from the Dollar Tree. So I did make 3 of those, and I'm just gonna make a bunch of them, and then if I have to make more, I definitely will. I have a set here I'm going to make. And then with this candle that I got at the 99-cent only store, which is super pretty, I'm going to go ahead and add this snowflake and cashmere spray with that. So I'm going to cellophane that as well. And then I have some of these bath candies as well, and another Mr. Bubbles body spray, and I'll cellophane that as well with a mask. So these are what I'm making for the veterans ladies, the CVS employees. I do have to make a men's gift, and I think I'll do a mug for that. I think that'd be really cute. And yeah, so we'll continue. So these are some of the $3 gifts I came up with, and I'm pretty proud of it. So this gift right here is for a man. It has the Bath and Body Works stuff you just saw me haul. Now these were on sale for $1.95, but I had that 10 off of 30. So the math works out to be, I believe, $1.45. The candle was $1. It's from the 99-cent only store. These dual body sets, nail clippers, I believe by prescriptions, body prescriptions. I either got them at the 99-cent store or I got them at the Dollar Tree. So this gift was $3.50. The bags, of course, are from the Dollar Tree. I tried looking for cellophane and I could not find any, but I did find these clear bags, and they've been working out really well for me. So all I'm going to do is just tie them with my bows. I still have some of this red ribbon left, so I'm going to use that. So those are going to be for 2 of the guys at CVS. And then for the ladies at CVS, I did make 3 of the Melt Away Bath Bomb bath candies from the 99-cent only store. I took out the little sprays. It came in a 3-pack, so that would be 99 cents. As well as a Yes to Carrot mask, and that is $3. So gift probably costs about $3.50 if you calculate the little baggie. And each one of them pretty much have the same thing in them: a face mask, some meltaways, and a little spray perfume. So I made 3 of those. This one is a kind of semi-coupon gift. This spray is from the 99-cent only store, but it is by what is that name? I always forget. Halo, which is sold at Ulta and Walmart. These were 99 cents. And then the lip gloss, we were getting the chapstick we were getting for free a lot at CVS. And so didn't cost me anything. The little face mask came in a 5-pack for $1 that I got on clearance a long time ago at Big Lots. So I'd say it cost me probably like a quarter. So this whole gift probably cost me less than $3 to make, probably like $2. And I'll be giving these to some of the veterans ladies I'll be seeing on Friday. So I made 2 of them because I had 2 of those body sprays and mask and lip gloss. So really nice, inexpensive gifts. I showed you guys the Halo, the spray, and the lotion. And then I decided to do a couple of candle gifts with some of my Bath and Body Works for my haul. So this one has the snowflake and cashmere spray, as well as a candle from the 99-cent only store. This one has a candle from the 99-cent only store, as well as the white jasmine. And this one has a candle from the 99-cent only store and a white jasmine lotion. So I have a little bit of a variety of little mini $3 gifts that I'll be giving out to, the CVS employees, veterans' wives, and a couple of the male CVS employees. I'm just going to put my little final touches on that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, guys, so I did finish my men's gift. I did put a red bow. I do need to get some more red bows, some more red ribbon to do a couple of more of these for my men's gift for CVS. I think there's like 3 managers that are men. All the rest are females, so I'm pretty lucky on that part. So I just need to get another thing of red bows, and I'll finish that. But that's basically what the guys are going to get: a Bath and Body Works lotion, a candle, and a nail trim kit. So really inexpensive, cheap to make. Same with the candles, very inexpensive, very easy to make. 99-cent store rocks, because they had some great items that are way more than 99 cents, and they turn out to be really nice, just little small gifts. I'll be gifting these to, like I said, the CVS employees, some veterans ladies. I might even, hopefully I have some extra, I can give some to my neighbors. So super excited about these gifts. Now, $3.50 or less, super excited. I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed evening. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang with me, see what I've been up to, chit chat a little bit, and yeah, go over these gifts. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to enter those 2 giveaways. I'll link those at the end of this video, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.